Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Black Ops 6 Warzone not launching or running, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can simply just restart the game. So go ahead and X out of Call of Duty, restart the game, or restart your PC or console, whatever you're on. Once that's done, you can go ahead and check to see if that helps fix the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is if you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through or if you have Warzone downloaded through Steam, go ahead and open up Steam, go over to Library. From Library, right click on Call of Duty, hit Properties, go to Installed Files, and then go ahead and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this basically does is that if there are any corrupt or malicious files, it will basically just go ahead and remove that. So once that's done, you can go ahead and launch Warzone, and then you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is go over to your Wi-Fi router, unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, come back to your PC or PS5, Xbox, whatever you're on, and then check to see if that fixes the issue. Another thing you guys can do is always use an Ethernet cable instead, because that does tend to help as well, and that will also give you faster Wi-Fi connection speeds as well, so that's always a plus. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.